on people fi make my move and never saw me grow up. No say me hype.
Dancehall star Alkaline is teaming up with the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining for something big. And it's not just music. Together, they are launching the New Era Agriculture Youth Workshop in Trelawney, a 2-day hands-on experience using culture to spark real opportunities in agriculture. July 2 to 3, 2025, just before the New Rose Festival, July 5, 25, selected youth will explore urban farming, agribusiness and agri-tech, learning directly from industry pros. They'll even get a chance to pitch innovative ideas from seed funding, plus walk away with concert tickets, media exposure, and official certificates. And it doesn't stop there. 50 to 80 more youth from Trelawney will get paid job working behind the scenes at the festival in areas like logistics, hospitality, and production. Alkaline believes in using his platform to create real impact, says his manager, Kirina Beckford. And with help from Jamaica 4-H clubs and lineup of sponsors, this innovative is shaping up to be a cultural and economic game changer for Jamaican youths.